Neil McAvoy, Assembly Member, South Central. Some good news behind me. This was the jungle in a former video, and we pushed the council to do something about it, both myself and Councillor Andrea Gibson, Plaid Cymru councillor in Ely. As you see behind me now, it's a work in progress. Things are much better. After we highlighted matters on the video, the council issued a compulsory purchase order, and what happened then was that the owner decided that they would try and put the property right and get it in a condition where it could house people, which is really good news. So it's a work in progress, as we can see, and I think the message really is that if you own a home, then you have a responsibility to keep it in order and to allow it to be lived in if you are not able to live there yourself. If you own several properties, then it's not fair on people like people in this street who really have to put up with this mess behind me for far too long. But well done to Cardiff Council for getting this back into life, hopefully. If people are not housed there within a reasonable amount of time, then the order will be put back on and it will be purchased by the council, bought by the council. Well done, Andrea Gibson, and just thank you really also to the owners for giving these people in the street here in Ely a little bit of respect, because also it's good that people, family needing accommodation, are going to be housed. If you know of any properties, let us know and we'll get on the case. Diolch yn fawr.